A fifth-generation fighter is the most advanced type of military combat aircraft in the modern world. These aircraft represent a major leap in technology compared to older fourth-generation and fourth-plus-generation fighter jets. Built with stealth, speed, advanced sensors, and powerful computing systems, fifth-generation fighters are designed to dominate modern air warfare and provide unmatched superiority in the sky. Countries like the United States, China, and Russia have invested billions of dollars to develop these aircraft, making them the backbone of future air forces. The defining feature of a fifth-generation fighter is stealth technology. Unlike older aircraft that can be easily detected by radar systems, fifth-generation fighters are designed to avoid detection. Their shapes are carefully engineered with smooth surfaces and special angles that reflect radar waves away from enemy systems. In addition to their unique shapes, they are coated with radar-absorbent materials that reduce their radar signature. This means that enemy radars often detect these aircraft only when it is too late. Stealth allows these fighters to enter heavily defended airspace, strike targets, and live without being seen, giving them a significant advantage in modern warfare. Another important feature of fifth-generation fighters is advanced avionics and sensor fusion. These aircraft carry highly sophisticated sensors that collect information from the environment, including enemy aircraft, ground targets, and missiles. The onboard computers then combine all this information into a single, easy-to-understand display for the pilot. This process is called sensor fusion. Instead of checking multiple screens, the pilot can see a complete picture of the battlefield in real time. This technology allows pilots to make faster and smarter decisions, increasing their chances of success in combat. In many ways, a fifth-generation fighter asset is like a flying computer as much as it does a traditional aircraft. Supercruise capability is another major characteristic of many fifth-generation fighters. Supercruise allows an aircraft to fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners. Afterburners provide extra thrust but consume large amounts of fuel and create a visible heat signature. By flying supersonic without afterburners, fifth-generation fighters can travel faster while remaining stealthy and fuel efficient. This ability enables them to reach targets quickly, intercept enemy aircraft, and maintain an advantage in aerial combat. Fifth-generation fighters are also known for their advanced weapons systems. These aircraft can carry a wide range of missiles and bombs designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. To maintain stealth, many of these weapons are stored inside internal weapon bays rather than on external hardpoints. This keeps the aircraft's radar signature low while still allowing it to carry powerful armaments. Modern missiles used by fifth-generation fighters are extremely accurate and can engage targets at long distances. With these weapons, a pilot can often destroy an enemy aircraft before the enemy even realizes they are being targeted. One of the most famous fifth-generation fighters is the F-22 Raptor developed by the United States. The F-22 is widely considered one of the most advanced air superiority fighters ever built. It combines stealth, supercruise, and extreme maneuverability, allowing it to dominate in air-to-air combat. The aircraft can fly at speeds above Mach 2 and has advanced radar systems capable of detecting THREATs from long distances. The F-22 was designed primarily to control the skies and ensure air dominance for the United States Air Force. Although production of the F-22 ended in 2011, it remains one of the most powerful fighters in service. Another well-known fifth-generation fighter is the F-35 Lightning II. Unlike the F-22, which focuses mainly on air superiority, the F-35 is a multi-role fighter capable of performing various missions. It can conduct air-to-air combat, ground attacks, reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. The F-35 is used not only by the United States but also by many allied countries around the world. One of its key strengths is its advanced sensor fusion and data sharing capability. The aircraft can share information with other jets, ground forces, and command centers, creating a networked battlefield where all units are connected. This makes the F-35 a central part of modern military strategy. China has also developed its own fifth-generation fighter known as the J-20 Mighty Dragon. The J-20 is designed for long-range missions and stealth operations. It features a large airframe, advanced radar systems, and the ability to carry long-range missiles. China has been steadily improving the J-20 with new engines and upgraded electronics. This aircraft plays a major role in China's efforts to modernize its air force and compete with other global powers. Russia's fifth-generation fighter is the Su-57 Felon. The Su-57 is designed to combine stealth with high maneuverability and powerful weapons. It can perform a variety of missions, including air superiority and ground attack. Russia has faced challenges in producing large numbers of the Su-57, but the aircraft represents an important step in its military aviation development. The Su-57 includes advanced avionics, stealth features, and the ability to carry modern missiles. Fifth-generation fighters also focus heavily on pilot survivability and ease of operation. The cockpits of these aircraft are equipped with large digital displays, helmet-mounted systems, and voice commands. Some helmets allow pilots to see through the aircraft using cameras mounted outside the jet, giving them a 360-degree view of the surroundings. Automation handles many complex tasks, allowing the pilot to focus on mission objectives rather than manual controls. This reduces workload and increases combat effectiveness. Maintenance and cost are significant factors associated with fifth-generation fighters. These aircraft are extremely expensive to develop, build, and maintain. Stealth coatings require careful handling, and advanced electronics need regular updates. Despite these costs, many countries continue to invest in fifth-generation fighters because of their unmatched capabilities. Control of the skies remains a key factor in modern warfare, and fifth-generation fighters provide that control. The future of fifth-generation fighters is closely linked with emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, unmanned drones, and advanced networking systems. Many air forces are exploring ways to integrate these aircraft with autonomous drones that can act as support units in combat. These drones can carry extra weapons, gather intelligence, or even act as decoys. By working together, manned and unmanned systems can create a powerful and flexible combat force. In conclusion, fifth-generation fighters represent the peak of modern military aviation technology. With stealth capabilities, advanced sensors, supercruise speed, and powerful weapons, they are designed to dominate both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Aircraft like the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, J-20 Mighty Dragon, and Su-57 Felon demonstrate how far fighter jet technology has advanced. As technology continues to evolve, these fighters will remain a crucial part of global military power and will shape the future of aerial warfare for decades to come.